dark skin. So the ingredients for making a body soap scrub is your brown sugar, your lemon, turmeric powder, your honey, and your coffee. These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make the body scrub. So guys, if you want to know how to make your DIY body scrub at home, keep watching. So this is the black soap that I'll be using. I've already mixed it with the warm water. So this is the black soap, and I have some here, the one that I've molded. So I'll just mix this one and add this one to it. Get your empty bowl that you're going to use to mix all the natural products inside. Then this is my black soap that I've molded. I'm going to grate it on it. So I'll be scooping my black soap on it that I've mixed. I think that one is okay. Then I'm going to add my brown sugar. So after then you add your coffee. So you add your coffee. You can get any coffee you want. Coffee is good for your skin. It removes every dark cell. It's good for exfoliating your skin. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coffee. Then my turmeric. I'm using turmeric powder. Turmeric is good to remove every dark spot on your skin. So I'll be scooping 2 teaspoons of turmeric. Then my honey. Honey is also good for the skin. It helps to lighten your skin and remove every dark spot on your skin. Those dirty black on your skin that you don't want. And it's going to make your skin looking glowing and shining. So I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of honey. Another one. Then I will be applying my lemon. Lemon is good for the skin. It helps to brighten up the skin. Because this DIY, so I'm going to be using it just at night, not daytime, and not often. I just want to remove dark spots on my skin to make my skin glowing. I'm applying my olive oil. Olive oil helps to moisturize your skin. Just adding a few drops of it. This is vitamin E capsule. It helps to moisturize and nourish your skin. I'm just going to stir. body scrub, I advise you put enough of lemon, baking soda, your turmeric, and your orange oil to mix it for a lighter skin. This scrub I'm making is just for the dark skin. Well, I think I'm going to do another video for a light skin scrub, so stay tuned to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, try and subscribe and hit the notification button below so I'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. So this is it, guys. This is how to make your DIY body scrub at home for dark skin. Disclaimer, guys, I'm not a beauty therapist. This is just my own observation on observation and research I did on how to make your DIY black soap scrub. So after I mix it, I'm just going to turn it in a jar to keep and preserve in the fridge. And if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on my next skincare routine.